G'day, here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Unknown field, rules in millimetres and materials being wetted. These are basically specimen pieces. The opal face is fairly thin. You probably have trouble trying to polish it. Let's go in a bit closer so you get a better look. These are quite good examples of Boulder Opal. It's the veins in the rock where it's been split through. Second piece. The last piece, purpley blues. But it is thin and you'll have trouble polishing it, but you could put a coating of resin on it if you wanted to, or just have them as specimens. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.